Hello! Hello, hello! Didiligan natin yung ating mga halaman, mga loves. Where's the watering can, sweet? Where's the watering can? Oh, here. It's alright, I found it. I found a watering can. Nakalimutan ko yung bubble ko, yung hair tie.
What do you reckon?
What? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, you're polishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it now. A lot of people were praising your skill.
Isn't it?
Yep. They said you're very good. I really like it, mga loves. Yeah. I really like how it turns out.
We'll do when it's finished. That's better now, isn't it? It's finished in there.
We need to take a picture.
Yeah, it needs to dry first, all
Yeah.
silicone, so
Yeah.
it's glued in with silicone.
Right, I'm gonna water the plants. Ah, is it? Right, we'll start here, mga loves. They need plenty of drink kasi they're not been watered for a week. Oh, Robo is working. Yan, yung robot. It's working today. I need to top up a soil. Kasi tingnan niyo, oh. Yan. Kailangan sila ng top up. Tapos na tayo sa pagdidilig. I want to go inside, but then Mr. wants my help, so I was just gonna be hanging in here for a while until he's ready. Dito, mga loves, you feel so relaxed and you can just easily fall asleep because it's nice and warm. Hello! It's another day, and can you see that? May kaunting frost, mga palangga. Hala! Nag-frost. Ay, naku naman. Nakikita niyo ba yung nakikita ko? Merong pheasant dyan. Pero feeling ko, there's something wrong. It's lying on the ground. Look, oh. Yan. So, lalapitan natin, mga loves. I think it's been shot. I think there's something wrong with this. Yeah, it's not... Oh, nagpapahinga lang pala. No. It's been shot, I think. Huh? So sabi ni Mr. hindi daw yun nabaril. It's been mating daw kasi yung ano niya, yung tail, it's broken. So that's a sign of mating daw. Pagod yun, mga loves. Pagod yun sa kaniyang mga ginagawa. So we just been to Aldi and Tesco. Tulungan natin si Mr. Ay, naku. Mabigat itong mga love sa lawang milk. Hindi ko ata kaya. Char. Pabebe.
Is it too heavy for you?
Yeah, too heavy. Pero pag wala yung asawa, ay nako. Kayang-kaya yan. Ay nako nga naman. I'm so sleepy, mga palangga, as in. Like yung wala akong energy ba? So, pumunta kami sa Aldi kasi si Mr. gusto niyang mag-steak tonight. Kasi nagustuhan talaga niya yung steak na binili ko nung nandito si Steve, or supposedly magdi-dinner kami with Steve, and he did not stay for tea. So yung steak na yun, 3 yung steak na binili ko. So yung sa kanya 2, pero of course 2 kainan yun para sa kanya. And most of the steak na kinain niya, sobrang tender daw, sobrang sarap. So sabi niya, let's try again to see if we are just lucky that time. So hopefully this time ulit magustuhan niya. So as usual, sirloin yung kinuha niya, and then yung akin rump. And then naghahanap kami ng coconut yogurt sa Aldi, pero wala talaga silang coconut yogurt. Hindi na sila nagbibenta, kaya na-disappoint si Mr. kasi sobrang sarap talaga yun. So ito na lang yung binili namin, vanilla mushroom. Natuwa ako nung nakita ko to kasi meron silang white mushroom, kasi last time na pumunta ako doon, wala silang white mushroom. Yung medyo brown yung mushroom nila na nabili ko. Farmhouse. 3 hot cross buns. Addict talaga si Mr. dito sa hot cross buns. Apart sa kaniyang paboritong Toffee Crisp, yan yung isa sa mga paborito niyang kinakain dito sa bahay. What time is it now, Han?
Lunchtime, darling.
Yeah, get your lunch.
Lunch.
Bumili din pala ako ng self-raising flour. Yan. And then bumili din ako ng plum. So, medyo ano pa to, matigas pa tong plum na to. Sabi din kasi dito, ripen at home plums. So, parang pinapahinog ko dyan ba, kumbaga. Bumili ako na ito kasi masarap to siya mga palangga. Although medyo pricey siya. Feeling ko lang medyo pricey siya kasi of course this is sa oriental section ng Tesco. Yung mga noodles sila, types of noodles, and tapos ito yung pinaka masarap dito, itong flavor na to, masarap. Hindi na ako nakapagtiis at kinain ko na. Pineapple. No, thank you. It reminds me ba sa yung pagkabata ko kasi naalala niyo pa ba yung Jelly Ace? Sus nako, yan yung paborito ko nung bata ako. Sarap. The pheasant's still there.
I bet you find morning.
That pheasant is dead.
Is dead.
Tingnan niyo itong mga palangga.
You might have bird flu.
Sobrang thick.
Jesus.
Very thick. That's why I'm cutting it.
Darling, you take some cutting through there. I don't know how you can eat all that.
This is it.
Well, guys, I have a question here. What do you think? She says to me she has
Don't.
What? Oh, it's perfect, darling.
No.
Has problem losing weight. What do you reckon?
What?
Are we nearly ready, darling?
No.
All right. Okay.
Your steak is still raw.
Medium rare, please.
Okay.
Try not to go over, darling, if possible. Because it's more tender, isn't it? Do you want me to get drinks, Mr. Choreograph?
Alright.
I'll help. I don't want you to stick on that help. I don't like these plates like this. They're on the floor.
So, yung hapunan namin ngayon, steak, peas, mushroom, onion rings, and fries. Sit down.
I am, darling, I am. Anyway, she says I don't tell her I love her enough. Not telling her. So I called her today. And she said, hello. And I said, I just called to say I love you. And the reply got was, you're weird.
I said weirdo.
It's a special phone call.
Tawa ako mga palangga ba kasi si Mr. hindi naman yan ganyan. Pero yeah, it's just amazing na nag-effort talaga na tumawag siya.
The chief cook is now putting a homemade peppercorn.
Yep, don't you want some?
No thanks.
You sure?
Yes thanks.
Okay. Right, give them a close up.
This is Moi's special steak. As you can see, medium rare. Still got the tail and the horns on it. Is that large? And here's Madam's with the homemade peppercorn sauce.
Okay.
All
Enjoy,
right.
Mister.
Okay, ma'am.
Enjoy. Kain na muna kami mga palangga. Tapos na kaming kumain mga palangga. Gumagawa lang ako ng sandwich para kay Mister. Nakalimutan ko kasing lutuin yung ham. Kaya ito. Gumagawa ako ng tuna sandwich para sa kanya. Para naman matuwa si Mister na nag-effort tayo. Kasi wala kasi ako tomorrow sa bahay. Meron akong duty. Kaya, that's what we're doing. I'm not going to prepare his hot cross buns kasi normally when he's having lunch, he's always have hot cross buns with it. But I decided not to prepare it kasi baka it will dried out. Nilalagyan natin ang note. Para matuwa ba? Para kiligin si Mister. Alam niyo, ako talaga, pag gumagawa ako ng mga sandwiches kay Mister at pag wala ako dito sa bahay, nilalagyan ko siya ng note. And one time, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng note. So, pag uwi ko sa bahay, sabi niya, bakit walang note sa sandwich mo? Normally daw na, naglalagay daw ako ng note. Kasi every time kasi na naglalagay ako ng note, wala siyang ka-comment. So, na-notice pala niya talaga yung mga note na nilagay ko, di ba? Yan